Welcome back again to the second part of the tutorial how to build a messenger bot using Ruby on Rails, and this is actually is the most important part of the tutorial because we are going, as we said, we are going to parse the data and making our first reply. So we have stopped here last time, so let's build on that. Okay, I'm going to send like a message and let's see what's going to happen to my bot. Okay, I got 404 not found. 404 not found because Facebook is trying to send the request again and again. So basically we are not able to accept a post request at our root, so we need to handle this case. So let's go to atom and routes. Right here we can make post the root and take it to callback received data. So right now we will not get 404 not found request. Maybe we will get a different error, but this is a good step. Also, Negrok is giving us uh, a very harmful tool that we're going to use. Let's take this link and open it. Okay, right now we can see the requests that Facebook is trying to send us. So Facebook are sending us, look, here's the message hi that we have sent, this one. So here's the request that Facebook is trying to send us, and we have to parse all these data to get text. Basically, if we want to reply for a message, we need two things according to Facebook. Let's check. Yes, here we go. We need the recipient ID, which is the user ID, and the message that we are going to try to send. So Facebook is sending us this request. We need to parse it to get the ID, the sender ID, and the text, and according to them, we have to reply using this request. Okay, so we have two main parts. The first part is to parse the data, and the second part is to make our request. So first of all, I'm going to add no, I'm not going to add the gem right now. I'm going to require JSON, so we will be able to parse the data. And let's go back to the callback. Okay, and let's make a variable called the request and equals request dot body dot read. Okay, and right now we have this variable inside the request, and let's make a variable called data equals json dot parse the request. So right now we have our json parsed in a variable called data, and we can parse it right now. So basically we want to go to entry, and entry is an array, and inside entry we need to go to messaging, and inside messaging we need to get the sender ID, and we need to get the message text. So we need to go to entry messaging first. So let's make variable called entries equal data entry. Okay, and since entries is an array, entries dot each do entry, and let's close this one, and okay, great. And inside this we need to get messaging, which is also an array. Messaging dot each do messaging. Yeah, let's close this also. Okay, great. So right now we are inside messaging, so we need the sender ID and we need the message text. So let's make two variables, one called sender and it's equals messaging sender ID, and we have text equals messaging. I have found also one typo there. Yes, and this is message and text. Okay, message text. So right now we have two variables. One has the sender ID and the other one has the text that we got. Okay, this is really great. Right now we can send the HTTP request, but first we need to add a gem which is called HTTP. Okay, and let's, did I save the routes? Yes, let's send one more hi. Okay, I stopped the server, so let's on bundle tool. Okay, let's go to our application.rb and the require HTTP. Okay, let's close this, we don't need it anymore, and this one also, and let's start our server, field server. Right now we can make the HTTP request, so it's a post request, right? And let's go to the Facebook API documentation. Here is the URL for the request, so let's make a variable called URL, like a global variable. Okay, and let's use our access token, which is here. So this is our access token. Okay, great. You should use environment variable, but for testing purposes it's okay. So we can use right here the URL, and we need to send this JSON as a reply before customizing it. Yes, and don't forget this bracket because I'm always forgetting it. Okay, so let's make a variable here called my JSON and equals this one, and let's make it an online so it's easier to read. Okay, great. And we will send here JSON my JSON, but we have to change something here. The user ID, we have to change it to the sender. So let's make this the variable sender. So right now, for any message we are going to get, yes, let's check for any type of, for each message we are going to get, we will get its sender and text, and we will reply with we will build a JSON which has the ID sender and message which is hello world, so it's going to reply for each message with hello world, and we will make HTTP post request which has the URL which you made it here, and the JSON which is my JSON, and let's put here put so we are able to see in our terminal. So right now everything should be yes, but I want to add something also. Uh, you know, outsource applications are not able to send post requests to our Rails app because Rails is safe, so we have to disable this. So let's go to the application and copy this one and come here and change this to null session. Yes. So right now, yes, and we need also to make something because this is like a reply, but we want to redirect or to render something. So I will render received data, but at this time this will not happen because it will render with get request, so it will just render the template. Okay, so right now I think everything is set up, so let's wait for Facebook. Okay, we got unprocessable entity, so let's check our log. Okay, invalid authenticity token, but we changed this, so this should be changed in the next request. It's saying send a new message, hi, and we got a message. So Facebook woke up finally. So let's say hi. We will get hello world. Okay, great. I want to make one change before ending this part. I want, instead of sending hello world for every single message, I will send uh, the message itself the user sent to us. So for example, if the user sent to us hi, we will reply with hi. Okay, let's test this. Hi. Our bot is replying with hi. Text. Okay. Okay, right now we have reached a very good point. In the next video we are going to learn how to build some AI so our replies are kind of smarter, so our bot is working and performing in a better way. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.